The reason I wanted to come to Koh Sirey today, guys, because somewhat similarly to Phuket, there's a small bridge that you can come across to get to this very area, and a lot of people tell me it's a very different place to come to. It's literally like going back in time. So let's go down there, let's have a ride around and let's see what the place has to offer. To get to Phuket from the mainland, it's a bridge, and down the southeast side of Phuket Island, there's another island which isn't very well known to a lot of people. And to get there is another bridge, which is right here. So join me on this journey today, guys, because the bridge is there, the bike's here, and let's do this. I want you to come on that journey with me. So let's go and check out Koh Sirey today, guys. Welcome to the PMA experience, guys. It's Thailand time. My name is Chris, and I want to take you on this journey with me.
It's go time. Let's do it.
Positive mental attitude.
This is the way. Go into the unknown where possibility lives.
A positive mental attitude can clear away all obstacles which stand between you and your major purpose in life.
Think big, laugh loud.
And you know this, man.
The way of life can be free and beautiful.
Positive mental attitude.
Have you found joy in your life? Has your life brought joy to others?
Leave the box. In this world, there's room for everyone.
Koh Sirey, guys. I'd have to say, as I'm riding around, I was looking at places thinking, shall I come back? Are there more adventurous places to explore? But I'd have to say there's just not too much going on here, which kind of met my expectation, because a lot of people suggest online it is a quiet area and so forth. But leave notes in the comments, guys. I'm going to call it a day here because it's getting dark, I'm losing the light, and it is starting to rain. Yeah, so scratch that, guys, because today is a different day. Yesterday wasn't the best day, and you might think that Chris has got everything sorted out, you know, PMA all the way, all day, but it's not always the case. Some days are easier than others, and other days can be challenging. I like to wave the PMA flag because it really benefits my everyday, but it doesn't come naturally, and it's something I need to constantly work on. So I hope nobody thinks when you watch this that he's a bit opinionated, oh, he's got everything sorted out. And I assure you it's not the case. Like everybody, I'm sure we're all just a work in progress, trying to make better versions of ourselves. So yesterday, I mean, I had a dog trying to take a chunk out of my leg. I was losing daylight, it was getting dark pretty quick, and it was starting to rain. And even though I said I felt the place didn't have a lot to offer, I decided to come back today and give it another chance, right? So let's check it out and see what today had to offer. So as you go across the bridge here, guys, you essentially go over the Tar Chin Canal, which, as you can see here on the west side, segregates the entirety of Koh Sirey from the rest of Phuket Island. Thank you. Koh Koh Sirey's temple has a golden reclining Buddha inside, which is not uncommon to find in Thailand, and unfortunately today it was closed. But then it would take a lot to be more impressive than Bangkok's Wat Po reclining Buddha, which comes in at a whopping 46 meters in length and 15 meters high. This posture is known as Pang Sayat, if I'm saying that correctly, which translates to realizing nirvana and the end of all reincarnations. And it's fair to say, if you've been reincarnated for hundreds or thousands of years, you probably want a bit of a lie down as well. But there was no time for a lie down myself, guys, as I took on these 100 stairs up to the main temple. Here there are prayer bells. The stairs are lined with various other things to ward off bad spirits. As you can see here, gold dragons. And just a few more stairs to go to get to the very top to see a fantastic 360-degree view of Koh Sirey. But I didn't come here today to check out the temple, as I think we've done a lot of temples to date. We want to get down here. I want to see why Koh Sirey is very different to the rest of Phuket. What does it offer which everybody regards feels like it's gone back in time? Is it how the people choose to live? Is it about what's on offer? Let's go and check it out. As with most countries, guys, you're always going to see a shift in how people live, as to whether it's out of choice or necessity. And there are certain places here that were quite reminiscent of my time living in India. It was really nice to be out today in contrast to yesterday. The weather was beautiful today. Being out on the road, fantastic. And this takes us around now to Sirey Bay and the Cine resorts here. Prices here, in contrast to what we've just seen, start at 8,000 baht a night. Which is way more than I paid for my hotel last night, guys. My hotel last night came in at 450 baht, which in dollars is Well, isn't this a bit nice and tranquil, guys, huh? As the Thais would say, oh my Buddha. Beauty surrounds us at all times, you just got to have open eyes, huh? After meeting some nice people, guys, and stroking some nice dogs, the hunt for monkeys was on. And find some monkeys I did. Apparently this is the place where the monkeys hang out. Like to get a few bananas in of an evening, apparently. Well, they're not short of a bit of fruit, are they? Wow. What do you reckon? No hear, no see, no speak? This one's got none of that. Remember my comment, guys, from the Big Buddha video, if you haven't already watched it. You have to watch out for the monkeys, because they are, by definition, the thieves of the jungle. I had a friend here who had their phone stolen out of their hand, so they've upped their game from bananas. And I still stand by that comment. See him washing the banana off there. He's not stupid, is he?
Hello sir, banana for monkey sir. 10 baht, 20 baht.
Yeah, sure.
That's 10 baht.
Okay, come from the gap.
ไม่เอาแล้วนำมาเดี๋ยวตังค์ไป20นะคะโมเมนต์รีดนะ
No problem. Thank you, Cap. So I'm just waiting for this lady to bring me some bananas. I think I've given her money for. Not been is that a monkeyism? Presuming they all eat bananas. Here she is, look. Oh, sweaty cat. Oh, wow. Cap with cap, huh?
จ้า
Thank you.
พวกเอาอะไรไหมกล้วยตัวไหม
Would you guys like to help?
เอาไหมนี่พี่ก็ให้โยนโยนนะลูกโยนโยนไกลๆเลย
I have to say I'm a little bit hungry, but yeah, that didn't just happen. You're welcome. Thank you, Cap. Oh, that wasn't the best throw there, Chris. What a great end to the day. Fantastic. Let's go and give this basket back to this lovely lady. So I was all set to leave, guys, but then I spotted these two scamps who were coming in from behind and thought they were up to no good. It would be fair to say that sometimes monkeys can be a little bit aggressive in their wanting to obtain food from you. So I hung back momentarily just to make sure that this lady and her daughter were okay.
มันจะมาแย่งของลูกกัน อย่าเข้าไปใกล้นะทำไมอ่ะเดี๋ยวมันกัดไงเอาถือได้ได้เหรอ มาเลย
ให้ดีๆให้ดีๆกล้าไหมกล้าเห็นไหมเขายื่นให้กับมือ
Careful, careful.
ลิงไม่กัดนะลูกนะลูกยื่นให้ได้นะคะ
Thank you, Kat. Woo.
ขออะไรนะ
Oh, wow.
ไม่กลัวนี่โยนให้ตัวนี้ตัวนี้เหรอตัวนั้นเหรอไม่ใช่นี่ไงโยนให้อันนี้ไงตัวนี้เหรอใช่
Interesting. Okay. Thank you, Kat.
เอากล้วยให้ด้วยอ่ะ
Careful, careful. Thank you.
เอา
ทำอย่างนี้ให้ลูกแล้วอ่ะ
เอาให้ตักไหน
ขอให้ลูกมันได้ไหม
ได้ค่ะ
ให้หนูเป็นตัวนั้น
Today's really shifted my look on Koh Sirey in contrast to yesterday. Just goes to show what a different day you can have when there's a spot of sunlight. You're not fighting the light, all these other aspects. It's not raining, and there's a shift in attitude. The attitude is key, and I always start my day off with gratitude. Everything else locks into place. Again, I don't have everything figured out. How could I? But it's what works for me, and whatever works for you, well done you for making it happen. So Koh Sirey. What I noticed about this place is I haven't really seen any bars and I haven't really seen any tourists. So if you're in Patong or anywhere else in Thailand, if you want to get down here, the southeast part of the island, Koh Sirey, come through Phuket, come across the bridge as you've already seen in this video. If you want to get away from things and just have a peaceful time, a day, stay in a hotel. One of the things I love about Thailand is having certain places I've been to that are hotels that I've loved, and now they're my little getaway excursions. I can go to these places, know the hotel is awesome, and the place I can go and experience different things. So if you want a bit of peace and quiet, by all means come down here and have an awesome time. Don't forget to please subscribe, guys, because it really does help me out. As always, go travel, laugh more every day, and be inspiring to others. Planting little seeds every day benefits other people tomorrow. Have an awesome day, guys. Hit that bell notification, stay tuned, and I will see you, my friends, in the next video.